I've got a really special video today. But a collaborator, somebody who lent me a watch winder, and we are going to explore that and do an unboxing right now. Now, before I get started, as I've become enthusiastic about watches, but several of them are automatics, like this Orient Bambino. Now, why would you want an automatic watch over a quartz watch? You know, a quartz watch has its place. I have a number of quartz watches and they're fine. They keep very accurate time. Some of them are very durable and they're for outdoorsy type sports and things like that. And I like to have a watch that is going to be able to endure a lot of abuse. My Orient watch is beautiful, and I love the fact that it is an automatic watch because technology that's really wonderful, craftsmanship. It's really neat. It's something that's beautiful, and it's fun to see how it works, and it's fun to know that you've got an automatic watch movement in a watch that keeps itself wound through the movement of your hand. Some of them are windable. This one can be wound. It's cool. And so a watch winder keeps your watch going when you're not wearing it. And it's a beautiful case that sits where you want to put it, and it displays your beautiful watches. So let's take a look at this company that's lending me this watch winder, and let's unbox the watch winder itself. So like I said, this package just arrived for me from JQUEEN Watch Winders. And we're going to take a look at this company in just a minute, but right now we're going to do the unboxing. Now, I own a watch winder from JQUEEN Watch Winders, and I love it. I always have two of my automatic watches displayed in my bedroom in a JQUEEN watch winder. But let's open this box and see what we've got. Carefully undo the tape. We'll set that very sharp knife over there. So what have we got? So we've got a little envelope here with, looks like a cleaning cloth and some company information. Let's just quickly take a look at that. Yeah. Watch winder manual. Sometimes my wife tells me I throw away manuals too easily. It talks about the modes, what it will do, mode 4, turn forward for 2 minutes, stop for 18 minutes, reverse for 2 minutes. It tells you what the modes will do. Set that aside. And then we've got, this is the plug, which we will need. So we'll set that aside. Take the styrofoam out very carefully. Set that aside. Set the box aside. And the little protective covering. Ooh, very lovely. Well packaged. If it's anything like mine, it's beautiful. And what have we got? Ooh, look at that. Set that aside. Set that aside, and there it is. A JQUEEN single watch winder. Now remember it said in the manual, the different modes? Well, here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if you get a better look at that. 4 modes and off. The switch, turn it on and off. Where to put the electrical plug. Very straightforward. Easy to understand and beautiful. You lift the lid here and pop that out, and what I'm going to show you, we put our watch on there. Let's do that right now. So here I've got my Bambino. Make it right side up. Okay, there's my Bambino on the little pillow, and I slip that right there. And if this was the watch winder for my Bambino, that's how it would sit. Okay, like that. And then we would close it. Like I said, I'm going to leave that on there. Oh, wait a minute. No, that comes off. We can put that back on very easily. So that's how my Bambino looks in this beautiful automatic watch winder. Now let's see this thing in action. Okay, now check this action out. Let's say I've set it here on display as a nice display box for my Bambino. It's beautiful already. Okay, and it works really well. Serves that purpose. But see, over here I've plugged it in. And like we said, here on the back is the on and off switch. And it is set to off. So we're going to turn it on. Nothing happens yet till we change the mode to 1. There it goes, spinning. It'll spin for a couple of minutes, winding that watch, because it's the motion that keeps an automatic watch wound. Whether when you're wearing it, you're moving, you're in constant motion, your wrist and your arm, and that makes the movement work. It keeps it wound. But when you're not wearing it, when you're in your Betty Buy or something like that, the watch is just sitting there, it's not being wound. Maybe you're not going to wear this Bambino tomorrow or the next day. Maybe you're going to wear a diver watch or a G-Shock watch because you're going boating, like I'm going to this week. And you don't want to leave your Bambino, which is an automatic watch, just to go stagnant and to lose its time, lose its place. So you put it in your JQUEEN Watch Winder. And see, listen, you can't hear it. So you could have it in your room at night and it wouldn't bother you. When it turns on, starts to spin, it's not going to wake you up because it's quiet and it's beautiful. And your watch looks so great sitting in this when it's on display. You set it on your chest of drawers, on your nightstand, and you've got your beautiful automatic watch on display. Right? And it's being wound. It's keeping the correct time so that when you pull it out to wear it, see, now it's stopped. When you pull it out to wear it, you may have to adjust it a little bit depending on the quality of your watch. Maybe the date is different because there's been a month with 30 days instead of 31 or whatever. But you still won't have lots of adjusting to do to get it where you want it. And so there's the Bambino, just on display in this beautiful JQUEEN watch winder. And in a little while, it'll spin again, and that will keep the movement wound. It'll keep the movement functioning. I don't know that you can call it being wound. It keeps the movement functioning so that the watch keeps going. Now, you'll find arguments online over whether or not it's necessary to keep an automatic watch moving all the time. Maybe it's great for it. Maybe it doesn't matter. You're not hurting it. Absolutely not hurting it with an automatic watch winder, because you could wear that Bambino all the time and it'll last forever. So keeping it ticking is a convenience for you and a beautiful display. JQUEEN makes some of the most beautiful watch winders and accessories you'll ever find. And we'll take a look now at some of their other products. Really nice. So here it is on my chest of drawers. This is how it would look. Displaying my watch on my chest of drawers with the little beautiful statuette that my daughter gave me, and some books, top of the chest of drawers. That's how it would look. Here it is on a table in a bedroom. Looks beautiful. Very nice. I mean, it's just a nice accessory to be used to display your watch and keep it wound in any beautiful setting. Looks great wherever you put it. I'm leaving a link below in the description to JQUEEN Watch Winders. They have some beautiful woods, different colors, types of woods, some different sizes. Here's one with 8 spaces for automatic watches, keep them all wound. They have different kinds of woods, like I said, different textures. They even have some unusual watch winders, and I'm leaving a link to purchase the one that's featured in this video, but also a link to their website in general. Here's the one I was talking about. It's very different. It's not just wood. So check them out. It's an incredible company, and I've really enjoyed my JQUEEN watch winder.